Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your player ID in Pokémon TCG Pocket. To find your player ID in Pokémon TCG Pocket, first of all, open up your Pokémon TCG Pocket application on your mobile device and log in. From the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon located at the top of the screen. Once you do that, you will then be able to see your information. That is your profile avatar, your name, and then your friend ID. Go to the top right corner and you will see your friend ID displayed in a long string of numbers. Tap on the copy button right next to the friend ID in order to copy your friend ID, which you can share to your friends if you are trying to help them add you in their game as a friend. Or you can also find your player ID for specific account related issues that you'll need to provide to support if necessary. So that's how you easily find your friend ID in Pokémon TCG Pocket. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Pokémon TCG Pocket tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.